Now, we have some statistics for Fiji which paints us in a very negative light at the moment. And we definitely would want to do good things so that there is a positive change, that we can effect change. One of those issues is the high rate of domestic violence. Based on recent statistics, 2 out of 3 women have experienced some sort of physical domestic violence in the country, and which is one of the highest in the world. Starting with Melania, what's one thing that we can do that can bring a positive change to this issue that continues to haunt us?
I think that creating spaces for us to discuss these issues is so important. A lot of people don't see mental health as, related to the domestic abuse issue that we have, but it is very deeply rooted in our mental health issues. What makes a man think that he has the right to beat up his wife? There is a deep mental health issue happening there. So I think creating more spaces for us to have those difficult conversations and rehabilitate our men, and also create safe spaces for our women to speak up.
Shaila.
There has been an increase in domestic violence, but I would like to highlight one issue during COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, where couples and partners were in close contact with each other, and this also intensified their stress levels, which led to domestic violence eventually. And during these cases, I would suggest a helpline and online mental health services to be provided just to benefit these women.
Sierra?
I would suggest better health facilities for people who are going through these situations. And yes, just like a talk center to just to let them know that they're never alone, and you can always talk to someone about it, and never to go through violence.
Martina?
I feel like imposing higher, harsher penalties to the people who accused, or the person who does wrong in this sense. I feel like the abuser, that's the word, the abuser should be faced by harsher penalties, maybe a longer sentence or more community work. I'm not sure, but I'm not too sure how that works yet, but I feel like harsher penalties need to be imposed.